Hi everybody, good morning. This is Craig out here on Between the Whiskeys, and I'm in a special location today. I'm just here in Monte Sano State Park in Alabama. We're just about a day away from the beginning of the Huntsville Hamfest, and we're out here today for the YouTubers Cookout, the last event of 4 days in August. That's brought to you by the YouTube channels and all of the famous YouTubers that you know. So we're out here. We're just about getting ready for serving lunch today. Been out here since about 8 o'clock this morning, setting up and doing quite a few things. So it's not very long until we get going with the dinner part of the lunch part of the program. So here we are out here at the John Scoville Memorial Pavilion, where you can see they got some smokers cooked up. Miss Noel cooking there, along with I don't know his name, but we got some onions being put together. So they're doing it upright. We got some burgers going on over here. They are sauteing some onions. Joe Brett here and Steve. Looks like Steve's busy cooking bacon this morning, and won't be long till we'll be slapping those on some burgers and going that way. They got a big setup here. We got Caitlin, Frank, Tank Radio right here. Got Kyle AAOZ. He's kind of the ringleader of the YouTubers Cookout, although all the YouTubers are involved and everybody's cooking. So we got, like I said, we had Julie and Caitlin here getting ready to set up. And
oh, that's not his phone. That's my battery.
Got a lot of people that are already in here this morning, and they're getting ready to eat. They're expecting somewhere in the neighborhood of 250 people for the event today. We got burgers and hot dogs and all kinds of things. You can see there's a big crowd starting to gather out in the little seating area out there around the fire pit. We got a lot of food already prepared here and already ready to go. We're going to try to get 2 lines through here and get everybody going. And as you can see underneath the pavilion here this morning, there's already a big crowd that's started gathering up. I saw T.O. early. You can see maybe Jason, Can4 ACK over there in the side. You got Mesh-tastic Dave, Mesh Dealer Dave, I think he is known by now. T.O. was here early. Rob, Digital Rancher, is in the crowd. A lot of the famous YouTubers that you watch, even Between the Whiskeys, is out here today. Got Jason, Ham Radio 2.0 out here visiting with some folks. It's about time to eat here at Huntsville at Monte Sano State Park. So we'll bring more to you as we can. Got Great Man Poda in the crowd. He's getting interviewed by Frank right now. I think he's live, so we're not going to interview, or we're not going to interrupt them. That's Freddie Mac from all the way over there in Henrietta, just up the road from us in Oklahoma. Got Vern, and then also Bill there, Ham Radio Tectonics, that are helping put on this today. And so we're glad to be out here. This is Craig on Between the Whiskeys. Okay, things are starting to wrap up here at 4 days in August, the YouTubers Cookout and meeting over here at Monte Sano State Park at the John Scoville Pavilion. Had a good crowd on hand today. I didn't get any kind of like official count as to what's going on there, but we got quite a few YouTubers out here today. There's Jimmy from PRK Radio and Ray Man Poda, along with Mike and Becky from Ham Radio Duo. They're doing a little CW on 2 meters around here today.
We've graduated Morse code contact. Even at going at pretty good speeds, Morse code contact.
I had a really good crowd on hand. Got a station setting up back here, doing some code activations and things like that. Got Noelle working nonstop, like she always does here. Appreciate her and all her hard work in here. They're starting to kind of get things cleaned up from lunch here, so it's going great. People starting to kind of clear out a little bit here right now, just having some chat. There's Robert, the Digital Rancher, along with James from Quirky QRP. Got Bill down at the end of the table there from Ham Radio Tectonics. And then we got Freddie Mac, KDFMU there from right up there in Henrietta, Oklahoma. We're glad that he can make it all the way over here today. We got Josh Nash from Ham Radio Crash Course having a visit there right now since he just flew in today, I think, or maybe last night. We got T.O. from Temporarily Offline Ham Radio. And he's kind of one of the ramrod guys of this show. Put on 4 days in August. Did a great job with all that. We got Don Weeks from back in Texas here, and quite a few others here today at the Huntsville Hamfest. The lead up to it, 4 days in August, and the YouTubers Cookout here today. We got Jim from FEP Labs Radio, along with Kyle, AAOZ, Jason, Ham Radio 2.0, a few other guys that are hanging out here just about getting everything done. And it's going to about do it from here. We had Steve and Joe Brett doing some cooking along with Noel today. But we really appreciate those guys. And I hope you enjoy this content. I know it's a little different. We're out here at the Hamfest just having fun ourselves. There's KMRD Mike from Ham Radio 2. Appreciate him being here today along with Caitlin, Ham Radio Chick. And this is Craig from Between the Whiskeys. We'll see you from the Hamfest.